If you think the price of winning is too high, wait till you get the bill from regret. Discipline weighs ounces, regret weighs tons. The price of regret is much heavier than the price of discipline. You never want to wake up one day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year down the road and go, shit man, I wish I would have listened to my gut. I wish I would have done this thing. You don't want to live in regret. If there's something you want to regret done in work, your relationships, school, whatever it is, do it. You can have a new year, but it doesn't mean Steve. If you don't have a new mind, no more around, you want your life to be better. I can't help you. Only you can help you. Wake yourself up. If you want a new year and a new life, you don't need to start on January 1st. Start today, right now. What do you really want in that? What are the ritual that will get me there? And then get yourself too. Start a few those actions and lock them in place. If you make that change on yourself, you're gonna be proud this year, and no amount of money or accolades from the other people can mirror the feeling of being proud of knowing you've taken back control of your life. Everything in life is always changing. We don't have to work on change. Change is automatic, but the progress is not. So if you want to make real progress, you gotta say, I gotta take control of this process and not just hope it's going to work out when you resolve. This is how it's gonna be. That's when you cut off any possibility except the thing you be committed to. If you want to take the island, you burn the boats. Cause when you burn those boats, there's no going back. You're gonna find a way to make things work. You're gonna do your best work when you are least motivated. So these days you don't want to do it. You gotta say, get the fuck up and do it. Time is running out. Pick up the pace, pick up the pace, pick up the pace. You're walking too slow, pick up the pace. You're moving too slow, pick up the pace. There are only 86,400 seconds a day, and you gonna not only operate in that. You gotta do it fast. For some of you, you act as if you have another opportunities. I am wired differently. Every opportunity is the last opportunity. Every opportunity I have to prove myself again. Because the day you become content, the day you stop growing, the day you stop getting better, is the day you die. Be what it is you claim to be about. Be what it is you truly want to be. If you truly want to be successful, if you truly want to change your life, if you truly want to lose 50, 100, 200, 500 pounds, be about it today. You master the present. And when you get to the point where you start winning the day, then you start winning a week, and then you start winning a month, and then you start winning a year. Are you hearing what I'm saying? You gotta bet on you. You believe in everybody else. You clap for everybody else. You support everybody else. But when are you gonna look in the mirror and believe in the damn person you see? It's about time for you to believe in you, because you got it.